MLA and leader of NPF Legislative Party Azoninu Aji press release kudigina jar at 9:30 inikatamti New Market laga GB Abdul Kayam Talkudar Muraida Kani Kandem Kridigina inika activity polapi thakanai aro ahadin tepi na thakibole lake koi dia ase. Press statement ti GB appointment karni urban area ti controversial ulagina chipchap hoi jalaga khesprapi joborjosti murai digena thakbole pare hulipi individual kunrapi law oporte nai itu karni crime commit kurgena thaka course of action uthaigina thori lobole azoninu awas uthai dia ase. Aro inika crime commit kurgena state laga image biya kridi thaka tu disgrace aro sorom ekta ani dia ase itu karni law enforcement agency khantu parata kushish kurgena serious investigation ti without delay justice anibole kandem kridi ase aro murai da family khan ki azopi solidarity extended kridi ase. Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma bra recently northeast state of Nagaland, Meghalaya aro hill region of Manipur oporti religion enmity doshman kotha koidia oporti newly elected Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi kandem kurgena Chief Minister of three northeast state khanki publicly remark opor kandem kurbole awas uthai dia ase. Nagaland based Rising People's Party RPP khanpi Assam Chief Minister Sharma opor accused kudigena common citizen Christian Hindu or Muslim kun hulepi nijor laga choice hesabti vote uthabole intelligence thakya goidi shekili Assam Chief Minister to Hindu Mite of Manipur Khanbra Prime Minister Modi bra violent state acknowledge kurbole refuse kridia karni Congress party opor vote digena thakya accept kurbole fail ho jaise koi dia ase. Aro Sharma pi dignity of Chief Minister attitude logina immature personal gain phapnati kotha koi thakya opode kandem kridia ase aro Chief Minister of Nagaland Meghalaya Dijon P Sharma overbreathing attitude logina easy breath rakhiloi ase koi disha aro RPP khan tu itubar Lok Sabha election ti Congress khan Nagaland state te jidilo karni religious leader for Congress intelligence of voters khan ki insult kri thakya tu mishamshi ase koi dia ase. Official update pai thakya sabti Jairbam district of Manipur state fresh violence hatsa ulai thakya nimiti aji governor aro Chief Minister N Biren Singh dujon review meeting rakhina governor Yunkitu Chief Minister ke necessary measures logina unrest situation control kulobole khobor dia ase. State laga situation authority governor pi essential items aro commodities logina flood affected individuals relief camp Imphal te thakya khan ki digena assist kudibole kudi shekli family bishibra affect kurgina duk digdar pai thakya mithe koi dia ase. Manipur state Jairbam district ti fresh violence hatsa ulagena ja thakya karni 200 opor manu khan especially mithe villagers displaced kridigena state bhitorte situation karni Manipur government khan tu other kridigena police commandos personnel Imphal Valley bra Jairbam district ti immediate effect te ponchi jabole khobor di thakya report pailoi ase. Khobor te Israel IDF khan ajibshur joint special operation kanda kurgina ja sal October 7 tarik bra Hamas group khan kidnap kurgena loja charjon rescue kurla karni celebration dangur rakhe ase aro medical examination joli thakya khobor dia ase. Sources te hostage charjon tu duita alag location bra rescue kuri disha aro Israel Defense Force khan tu paratak khushi kurgena Israel hostage khan sob kanri wapas kulobole koi dia ase aro kanri manu khan tu dangur khushi te celebration rakhi dia ase. Aro ajikali WhatsApp message ti Prime Minister Modi bra 3 moina free recharge dia ase kogina claim kri thakya fake message unnecessary situation create kura ase itu karni rukhi jagina fake message jan lobole sa thakya verse khan ki jonai dia ase.